We usually don't cover Instagram updates, but this one is actually quite a big deal, and in this video we're going to tell you why. Instagram announced that they will very soon roll out a feature called Instagram Live Room. Instagram Live Rooms will allow you to go live, like you can do right now with the live function, with the difference that you can have up to 3 guests in a room, meaning you can have a total live stream of 4 people talking and basically all of the 4 audiences listening. Does this sound familiar to you? What's really intriguing about this is that all the 4 people's audiences will get notifications to join the live stream. So if you invite 3 other people to have a talk with them, you can actually leverage their audience and boost your organic reach, which is huge. Especially if we consider that, like always, Instagram is going to prioritize and push this feature. It is really important for you to hop on this train as soon as possible to get as much organic reach out of this as you can. Instagram did not only get inspired by Clubhouse, but they also are going to integrate features that we have seen on platforms like Twitch, for example, like moderator control, audio features, and even monetization features. And this is where it gets really interesting, and this is what makes this entire update so relevant. Similar to Twitch, users will be able to buy badges, and they can either donate those badges to the creators or to the live streamers, or they can use them for other features, like for example Instagram shopping or live donations. This is a really big step, because we're going to talk about this in another video in detail, but we've learned that on Instagram's roadmap and algorithm update for 2021, monetization for creators will play a crucial role, and this is basically one of the first baby steps that we see Instagram doing in that direction. Like always, Instagram was very precise about the release date and just said that it's going to be rolling out this feature globally very soon. So stay tuned, keep your eyes open, and make sure you use this feature as soon as it comes out to benefit from the usual Instagram new feature push. If you liked this video and if it was helpful to you, make sure to follow us on social media and head over to neonacademy.io and check out our free online marketing fundamentals course. Bye guys, and I hope to see you on the platform.